At ComAp, we develop a wide range of products for power generation, gas and diesel engines. You can find our solutions in the area of renewable energy sources, in the marine industry or in data centers. Before implementing the digitalized tools from Microsoft, we used to have shared internal disks. It was different because it was only for internal people here in Prague. And as we have many subsidiaries abroad, it was super difficult for us to cooperate with them. Thanks to shared tools from Microsoft, SharePoint for example, it's way easier for us to cooperate with them. And communication is really simple for us now. One of the most popular tools are, for example, Skype for Business, thanks to which we are able to see who is available, who can we ask right away. Also, of course, for organizing meetings, not only internal, but also with subsidiaries, can record a meeting and so on. For us at ComAp, informal culture is really important. We have no boundaries in communication. We support openness across the company, and I think that's what Office 365 tools are great for. For example, anybody can ask our CEO, Peter Sandin, if they have any question or request, and that's exactly the open communication that Microsoft supports.